Hello my dear friends, welcome back to InfyGyan. Today in this video, we are going to solve one very interesting question from algebra. We have to solve the equation 5x plus 4 over x plus 1 whole square plus 25x plus 20 over 5x plus 3 whole square equal to. Let's get started by writing our denominators cannot be 0, cannot be equal to 0. So we can get x cannot be equal to negative 1 and x cannot be equal to negative e over 5. Now I can take 5 common from this bracket. I will write equation 5x plus 4 over x plus 1 whole square plus 5 is common, it will come out as 5 square. So in the bracket we will be writing 5x plus 4 and denominator will be 5x plus 3 whole square equal to 50. Now we will divide our equation by 5 square. As we can see, we have 5x here, 5x here and 5x here, but we do not have 5x here. So let's try to maintain 5x in the denominator also. So we will divide this equation by 5 square divided by 5 square divided by 5 square. Now 1 over 5 square. This 5 square we will merge or club with this denominator by writing denominator 5x plus 5 and then we will write our numerator 5x plus 4. We will put whole square as it is. Then we will write here plus this 5 square will be over. We will write 5x plus 4 over 5x plus 3 whole square. And in RHS we will write 50 over 25, which will give us 2. Now we will use substitution. Let's say 5x plus 4 equal to a. So our equation will become, here we will be writing a in the numerator bracket. So denominator bracket is 1 more than numerator, so we will write in the denominator a plus 1. Here also we will write in the bracket a and denominator bracket is 1 less than numerator. So a minus 1 will be in the denominator. We will write our equation a over a plus 1 whole square plus a over a minus 1 whole square equal to. Now we know that from algebraic identities m square plus n square. This can be written as m plus n whole square minus 2 times mn. Consider this is m, consider this bracket is n. So I will write our LHS as a over a plus 1 plus a over a minus 1 whole square. This is m plus n whole square minus 2 times a over a plus 1 times a over a minus 1. This is 2mn term and RHS is, now we have to only simplify this bracket. We will get 2a square over a plus 1, a minus 1. Here we can apply difference of squares formula and we can write a square minus, and then we have part minus 2 times a square. Again we have a plus 1 a minus 1 in the denominator. We'll use difference of squares formula. We'll write a square minus 1 and RHS is, now you can see this is one quadratic equation in 2a square over a square minus 1. So let us say 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to b, suppose. So this quadratic will become b square minus b. If I will take 2 to the LHS, then I can write minus 2 equal to 0, where b is 2a square over a square minus 1. Let's solve this quadratic equation first, then we will put back our substitution b. Let's solve quadratic first. So b square minus b minus 2 equal to 0. Now we can split our middle term minus b as minus 2b plus b. Product of both will be minus 2b square. Now we can take b common from first two terms. So b minus 2 will be in the bracket and 1 common from last two terms. We'll get the same bracket b minus 2 equal to 0. Now factorization is done. We'll write b minus 2 times b plus 1 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will get b equal to negative 1 and b equal to, or b equal to 2 and b equal to negative 1. Now b was our substitution, 2a square over a square minus 1. We will write here 2a square over a square minus 1. This is equal to b, and we will write equal to minus 1. And second equation I will write 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to. Let us solve second equation first. Now I will cross multiply. I can write 2a square equal to 2 times a square minus 1, which will be equal to 2a square minus 2. Now 2a square and 2a square will equal. So 0 is equal to minus 2, which is not true. So we won't get any real solution. So I will write no solution. No real solutions are here. Now we have to solve our first equation, 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to minus 1. Now I will cross multiply and write 2a square is equal to minus 1 times a square minus 1. Or we can write 2a square is equal to minus a square plus 1. Take all the terms to one side. I can write 3a square minus 1 equal to 0. Or we can write here 3a square is equal to 1. A square will be equal to 1 over 3. Once we will take a square root sides, we will be getting plus minus 1 over root 3. Now we will rationalize our denominator and write plus minus root 3 over root 3 times root. I can write plus minus root 3 over 3. Here we have two real values of a. A equal to plus minus root 3 over. Now a was our substitution, if you remember. A was 5x plus 4. I will write a equal to plus minus root 3 over 3. And a was 5x plus 4 will be equal to plus minus root over 3. Now we will subtract 4 from both the sides. So minus 4 and minus 4. So here we will cancel plus and minus 4. We will get 5x equal to minus 4 plus minus the square root 3 over, or we can write 5x equal to minus 12 over 3 plus minus the square root 3 over 3. Now denominator is same. We can simply add the numerators. We will write here 5x equal to the common denominator 3 in numerator minus 12 plus minus square root. Now we have to only divide both sides by 5. Let's divide. So I will write here 5x equal to minus 12 plus minus square root 3 over 3. Now we will divide both sides by 5. Now this 5 and 5 will be over. We will get our final answer x equal to minus 12 plus minus root 3 over 15. We have in total 2 real solutions. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.